Salmon, are you ready? Bismillah. I got salmon here. I got spaghetti, almost ready. I got penne, pasta penne, almost done. Yellow rice, done. Spanish yellow rice. Salt and pepper, sea salt and black pepper. Smells so good. Multitasking. Penne pasta, spaghetti pasta, yellow Spanish rice, pink wild-caught salmon. Very easy, salt and pepper. And then you can do a sauce with lemon juice, parsley, salt and pepper. And if you want a little spicy, you can just add a few drops of cayenne pepper. Got 4 more and it will be ready. Oh, I can't wait to feed my kids.
I know that's right.
That's my daughter, 22-year-old Maimuna. Oh, it's so delicious, yummy. What's your favorite fish? What's your favorite fish, YouTube family? Mine is definitely salmon. I love salmon. It's almost done. Just be careful so it doesn't break. See? Almost done. Usually it takes about 5-7 minutes to be cooked. Don't overcook it. Fish that is overcooked doesn't taste that great. And have some vegetables. You can have asparagus, squash, butter squash, broccoli, spinach.